Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Make sure Android Auto and your phone OS are updated and that the car supports the app. Next, connect using a high-quality USB cable or initiate Bluetooth pairing if wireless is available. Once done, open Android Auto and accept any permission prompts. This ensures app access to contacts, audio, and location. If USB is flaky, enable developer options and toggle USB debugging to test connectivity. These first actions, now you'll dive into diagnostics. Start by confirming your car head unit firmware is current and on the compatibility list because software mismatches block handshakes. Then reset Bluetooth on both devices. Forget the car on your phone, forget the phone on the car, and pair again to clear cached errors. Also test another phone to isolate the issue. If using USB, inspect cable pins and test a certified cable or different port. Bad hardware often mimics software faults. Finish by rebooting both the phone and the car head unit. This completes any pending updates and refreshes connections. If problems persist, clear Android Auto cache and data from app settings or reinstall the app, then reboot again to rebuild permissions. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Battery Saver are off, because they can block background services. If you still can't connect, consider a factory reset of the head unit or reach dealer support. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a second phone to confirm whether the phone or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.